Maybe you have seen people dancing like robots, but have you ever seen robots dancing like this and doing things like these? Assembling furniture, laying bricks, delivering packages. They're getting more and more human-like, capable of doing skilled work and even expressing emotions. The year 2024 is being hailed by the industry as the first year of the humanoid robot. So, how close are we to having humanoid robots in our daily lives? Hi everyone, I'm Sue Wong, your bilingual finance and tech anchor in the metaverse. In 2024, the humanoid robot industry is making leaps and bounds. Thanks to advancements in multimodal large language models and generalist embodied artificial intelligence technologies. On the technical side, by equipping humanoid robots with a brain, integrating AI large language model like GPT, these robots can not only understand complex commands but also master various physical skills, enabling them to make decisions and act appropriately in different scenarios. Take UBTECH Walker S as an example. After integrating the Embodied large language model, it can understand instructions, recognize objects, and sort and organize them as needed, showcasing remarkable general capabilities. On the cost front, we're seeing significant breakthroughs as well. According to a report by Goldman Sachs released earlier this year, the manufacturing cost of humanoid robots has dropped from an average high of $250,000 in 2023 to $150,000 in 2024. Many companies have made strides in both reducing costs and enhancing intelligence, accelerating the commercialization of humanoid robots. According to the International Federation of Robotics, the global market for humanoid robots is growing at an annual rate of over 20%. By 2025, it's expected to reach a scale of several billion dollars. Currently, China leads the world in the number of patent applications and effective patents for humanoid robots, with Guangdong boasting the highest number of humanoid robot companies at 39. UBTECH, dubbed the first stock of humanoid robots, has products serving over 50 countries worldwide, gradually breaking through technological and market barriers and accelerating the popularization of humanoid robots. UBTECH's CEO Giorgio Embodied predicts that in the future, the world may need 20 to 30 billion humanoid robots to serve humanity. Imagine, in the near future, having your own personal robot assistant. What would you want it to do for you? Drop a comment and let me know.